So, welcome to this video about lockpicking and my journey from white belt to black belt in lockpicking. And we're gonna look at this acrylic lock today for white belt. And to open any lock, you need to get this core here to turn. And to do that, you need to put some tension on it, and that makes the pins inside stick, and when they do, you can push them up like this and out of the way from the chair line. And that way you can get them open. So thank you for watching this first video about lockpicking and my journey. And I will see you guys in the next video.